Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Karim. We're very happy to have you with us for another practical English lesson. Every episode is designed to help you speak English naturally in real-life situations.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going somewhere exciting. We're going to the airport. Whether you're traveling for work, vacation, or visiting family, English is the international language used in most airports around the world.
Imagine you're traveling to London, New York, Dubai, or Toronto. You arrive at the airport and suddenly you hear people speaking English everywhere. You need to check in, show your passport, ask about your luggage, find your gate, and board your flight.
Would you know what to say? Don't worry, that's exactly what you'll learn today. We'll guide you step by step through a real airport conversation using simple English that's perfect for beginners.
In this lesson, you'll learn many useful expressions like, where is the check-in counter? Here is my passport. How many bags can I check? What time does the flight leave? Where is gate 15? Thank you. Have a nice flight.
These are sentences that millions of travelers use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and imagine you're at the airport yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Even if you've never traveled before, this conversation will prepare you for the future. One day, when you visit another country, you'll already know how to communicate in English at the airport.
Friendly reminder, before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Karim, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next English lesson.
Are you ready to travel and improve your English at the same time? Fasten your seatbelts. Our English journey starts now. Speaker 1. Karim. Smiling. Good morning, Sarah. Are you excited?
Good morning, Karim. Yes, I am. Today is finally the day of our trip.
I can't believe it. We've been planning this vacation for months.
I know. I packed my suitcase yesterday, checked my passport twice, and even set 3 alarms so I wouldn't wake up late.
That's a smart idea. Missing a flight would be terrible.
So, wow, the airport is so busy today.
Yes, there are travelers everywhere. Some are arriving, others are leaving for different countries.
I can hear many different languages.
That's one of the things I love about airports. People from all over the world meet here.
What should we do first?
First, we need to find our airline's check-in counter.
Good idea. Let's look at the departure screen.
Here it is, Flight BA218 to London. Check-in counter 12.
Perfect. Let's go.
And they're arriving at the check-in counter. Airport agent. Smiling. Good morning. Welcome. May I see your passport and your ticket, please?
Good morning. Certainly. Here is my passport and my electronic ticket.
And here are mine.
Thank you. Just a moment while I check your reservation.
No problem.
Everything looks good. You're traveling to London today, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
I also have one suitcase and one small backpack. Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Of course.
Your suitcase weighs 20 kilograms. That's within the allowed limit.
Great. I was worried it might be too heavy.
You packed half your wardrobe.
Maybe, just a little.
Now your suitcase, please.
Here you are.
Your luggage weighs 18 kilograms. Everything is fine.
Wonderful.
Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
I'd like a window seat, please. I love looking outside during the flight.
I'd prefer the aisle seat. It's easier to stand up during long flights.
No problem. I've reserved seat 18A for you, sir. And seat 18B for you, madam. You'll still be sitting together. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. Here are your boarding passes. Please don't lose them. You'll need them before boarding the airplane.
Thank you.
Excuse me, what time does boarding begin?
Boarding starts at 9:15 a.m. Your flight departs at 10 a.m. Please arrive at the gate at least 30 minutes before departure. Which gate should we go to?
Your flight leaves gate 21. After security, simply follow the airport signs.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wow, everything went smoothly. That was easier than I expected.
Yes, now we only need to go through security, then we can relax before our flight.
Our adventure is about to begin.
Well, Sarah, we have our boarding passes now. The next step is security.
I've seen this many times in movies. Now we're actually doing it ourselves.
Don't worry, just follow the instructions. Everything will be fine. They're arriving at the security checkpoint. Security officer. Friendly. Good morning. May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?
Good morning. Here you are.
Here are mine.
Thank you. Please place your bags on the conveyor belt.
Of course.
Please remove your watch, belt, and anything made of metal.
Should I remove my jacket too?
Yes, please. Place it in the tray.
No problem. I always forget about my watch.
Good thing the officer reminded you.
Please walk through the scanner. Certainly. Karim walks through the scanner. Perfect. You may continue.
My turn.
Sarah walks through the scanner. Beep, beep.
Oh, did I do something wrong?
Don't worry, it's probably something small. Do you have any coins or keys in your pocket?
Oh, yes. I forgot my keys. I'm sorry.
No problem. Please place them in the tray and try again.
Of course.
She walks through the scanner again. Perfect. You're all set. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
See? Nothing to worry about.
You're right. I was a little nervous.
Everyone feels nervous sometimes, especially when traveling.
That's true.
They collect their luggage. Let's make sure we have everything. Passport?
Yes?
Boarding pass?
Yes.
Backpack?
Yes, everything is here.
Excellent. Now let's find gate 21.
The airport is huge. There are so many signs.
Look, the blue sign says gates 20 through 30. Let's follow it.
Perfect.
Walking through the terminal.
Wow, look at all these shops.
Yes, there are bookstores, cafes, restaurants, and duty-free shops.
I didn't know airports had so many stores.
Some people arrive early just to enjoy them.
Maybe we should buy something before boarding.
Good idea. I'm a little thirsty.
Let's stop at that coffee shop. I'd like a bottle of water. What about you?
I'll have a bottle of water. What about you?
I'll have a cappuccino. I need some energy before the flight.
Coffee always makes you happy.
That's absolutely true.
Okay, let's enjoy our drinks before we continue to the gate. That coffee was exactly what I needed.
And my cappuccino was delicious. Now I'm ready for our flight.
Let's check the departure screen one more time.
Good idea. Sometimes the gate changes.
Flight BA218. Departure 10 a.m. Gate 21. Everything is the same.
Relieved. Perfect.
Airport announcement. Attention passengers traveling to London, boarding for flight BA218 will begin in a few minutes at gate 21. That's our flight. Let's go.
I'm so excited.
They are arriving at gate 21. Gate agent. Smiling. Good morning. May I see your boarding pass and passport, please? Certainly. Here you are.
Here are mine. Thank you. Everything looks good. Please wait until your group is called.
No problem. Thank you.
Look, Karim, there's our airplane.
Wow, it's even bigger than I imagined.
Have you ever flown before?
Yes, once, but I still get excited every time.
This is my first international flight. I'm excited, but also a little nervous.
Don't worry, flying is very safe. Just relax and enjoy the experience.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Airport announcement. Passengers seated in rows 15 to 25 may now board the aircraft. That's our flight. Let's go.
Absolutely. I can't wait to see the clouds from above.
The view is going to be amazing.
Traveling is one of the best ways to learn about new countries, cultures, and languages.
Exactly. And speaking English makes traveling much easier.
That's why learning English is such an important skill. You can communicate with people from almost anywhere in the world.
Today we practice checking in, showing our passports, checking luggage, going through security, finding the gate, and boarding the airplane. These are useful conversations every traveler should know.
The more you practice real-life English, the more confident you'll become. One day, you'll use these exact sentences on your own trip.
Our adventure is just beginning. See you at our next destination.
Have a wonderful journey, everyone. Safe travels, keep learning English, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye, everyone.